Hi guys, how are you? Today I have this phone A13 4G 5G any phone, and it does not showing display. It's just showing like this. When we press button, it's showing just like this sign, and it's not restart. As you see, it's not powered off. As you see, this phone is no more working. It's showing this sign again, and I'm gonna tell you how to fix this thing. Is easy method, and I request you, if you're new on my channel, just subscribe my channel and like the video. So let me show how to fix this one. It's easy, it's not difficult. You don't need to open this phone, you don't need to put software, you don't need to put with computer, nothing to do. Just put cable, charging cable, any kind of, or if you don't want to put, just leave it. You just press and hold volume up, down and power key both, and keep holding until to make it on this phone. Keep holding, and then it's showing this phone is turning on. So kindly please, if you like the video, just subscribe my channel. As you see, this phone is going to be on now. Just stuck on there, powered on, restart logo, and now this phone is working. As you see, this phone is working now. Need a pin, and then you use your phone as usually. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.